Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 123 of trying a makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this e.l.f. Expert Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Midnight. So I recently found this at the Dollar Tree, so it only cost me $1. And this claims to be a smudge-proof, long-lasting formula. And e.l.f. does not test on animals. I'm pretty excited about the fact that this is in the shade Midnight and it's not your typical black liquid eyeliner. So the applicator is this small pointy brush. Let's see how it writes. So that really did make such a thin, precise line, and I only had to lightly touch my hand. It's looking so black. I was excited about the fact that this was kind of blue. Oh my gosh, but no, this does not look blue at all. Even when I just went on and tried to build up the color, still so black. Well, I can't stop there. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my eyes. Okay, so it's applied to this eye, and although it's not at all blue, it is a really nice liquid eyeliner. The applicator is so easy to work with, and I'm no expert, which is what this is called, a liquid eyeliner applier. Like, I'm really not good with liquid eyeliner, but this was actually really easy for me to use and create a really nice looking wing. Uh-oh, as I was talking, it did get onto my upper lid, so it's important to let this dry because it's not going to be smudge proof until it dries. So on my hand, I think it's dry. Let's see. Ooh, that is really staying in place, and it's not fading at all as I rub at it. Ooh, I really like that. That's really nice for a liquid liner. And I really wouldn't want to use a liquid eyeliner that is gonna smudge and just get all over the place. It's so funny because this claims to be midnight blue, but it's a very nice, dark, very black eyeliner. So I actually really like this as a black eyeliner. I'll go ahead and apply it to my other eye. All right, so wow. I am so impressed by how easy this is to work with. Like, these may not be perfectly symmetrical, but they're more symmetrical than I think I've ever been able to achieve before. And I did it so quickly. I can't believe that for $1, this is such a great liquid liner. The formula is perfect. Like, there's no smudging. It's so pigmented, so dark. It's a very true black. The application is so easy and it's gonna stay on your eyes until you want to take it off. Like, I really love how this looks. Like, I might have to start becoming a liquid eyeliner cat eye type of girl, which I never do because I just think it's so difficult and so much work, but not with this. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried this and what you think of it, because I am really amazed right now. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.